Adobe just dropped 13 security bulletins fixing 60 security holes, including 5 critical flaws in ColdFusion that could let hackers take over your system. If you're using any Adobe apps, you need to patch ASAP. And we're going to show you, we're going to not only go over these biggest threats real quickly here, we're also going to show you how you can actually install these patches as well. So again, ColdFusion is the biggest of these threats. It has the most critical of these. It has a priority 1 update that you need to get installed right away. There's also a patch for FrameMaker that fixes 15 CVEs, or common vulnerabilities and exploits, including 13 critical bugs that could lead to code execution. The only other double-digit CVE bulletin is for Illustrator that fixes 10 bugs. So if you're out there, you're using Adobe, let me switch over to a full screen. I'll show you how you can make sure that you are installing these. So this is, would be if you're using Adobe Creative Cloud. Now, if you're using an earlier version, you might not have access to these patches. You might just be a sitting duck. So, you know what? You might want to just subscribe and get the updates. But look for updates. Go ahead and click on updates, and you can also check for updates. And so I actually have the updates set up for automatic updates. You can actually click on Manage Updates, and you can turn on all of the automatic updates. I would encourage you to go ahead and do that. And also you can check for updates, and it will search for updates. But if the program's running, it'll search for updates automatically and install those automatically. That's what you need. Of course, if you're not using a paid version, but you're using Adobe Reader, well, you'll want to make sure that those are updated again. And you know what? Our managed plans do cover that. If you're interested in signing up for our managed services, give us a call, 772-878-5978, or visit us on the web at fasterpc.com. Cybersecurity problems? You need a faster PC.